ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद द्वितीय अध्याय प्रथम ब्राह्मण टीका। यथा, दिस इज पेज नंबर 416। इन टीका 8th लाइन फ्रॉम टॉप। यथा गृहस्य तृणादि बहिरंगम तथा सूक्ष्मस्य देहस्य स्थूलो देहः। Just as for a house, the trinadi, the grass, etc., and the cow dung in the olden days, they would make the wall. Like that is the gross body. And the subtle body, Sukshma Sharira, is the pillars, the cornerstone, what you call, the support, main support. तथा सूक्ष्मस्य देहस्य स्थूलो देह। तथापि तृणादि विना ग्रहस्य व्यवहार अयोग्यत्ववत् तस्यापि स्थूल देहं विना न तद योग्यत्वम्। तृणादि विना गृहस्य व्यवहार अयोग्यत्ववत्। तृणादि विना गृहस्य व्यवहार अयोग्य, it is not griha, only pillars are there, in between there is no wall, so no encasement is not there. व्यवहार अयोग्यत्ववत् तस्यापि स्थूल देहं विना। तस्या कस्या? सूक्ष्म देहस्य। सूक्ष्म देहस्यापि स्थूल देहं विना न तद योग्यत्वम। व्हाट इज दैट? व्यवहार योग्यत्वम। ऑनलाइन आई एम नॉट गेटिंग एनी आंसर्स। इति मत्वा आह तृण इति। तृण तृणकुश मृत्तिका समो, that line which we saw yesterday. तस्य पूर्व ब्राह्मणान्ते नामरूपे सति नामरूपे सत्यम इति अत्र प्रस्तुतत्वम अस्ति इत्याह। पूर्व ब्राह्मणान्ते नामरूपे, in the पूर्व ब्राह्मण at the end, नामरूपे सत्यम, सत and tyam, in this way it was given. तस्य 70 नंबर टिप्पणी स्थूलस्य, स्थूल देह and स्थूल प्रपंच, everything, नामरूपे सत्यम इति अत्र प्रस्तुतत्वम अस्ति। सत्य, सत्य शब्द वाच्यो मर्त्यः। So if you take samashti, this virat is satya. Satya because it is perceived, experienced. Its satya is this sthula, sukshma, which is hiranyagarbha. So sthula prapancha is there, its satya is sukshma prapancha. तस्य कार्यं दर्शयति तेन इति। तेन अमृत शब्द वाच्यः प्राणश्छन्न। By that, sthula sharira, sukshma sharira is conditioned. Channaha means it is limited. Iti cha upasamhritam. So introduction to second chapter in general is given. Now introduction to Ajatashatru Brahmanam, which is this Brahmana. Vrittam anudya Ajatashatru Brahmanam avatarayati. Vrittam anudya. What is already said? Anudya. Anudya, what is the dhatu? What is the dhatu for anudya?
Vad dhatu.
Vad or vach?
Vach.
Check. Vad dhatu. Vad dhatu संप्रसारण अण्यत प्रत्यय. So what is already covered in the first chapter? Anudya. Anudya means anuvachanam is done. Anuvada. Anuvada purvak. Anu. Upasarga purvak. Vad. Anudya. Ajata Shatru Brahmanam avatarayati. Ajata Shatru is the name of the Raja. Ajata Shatru means whose Shatru is not born. Is called Ajata Shatru. Jato Shatru Shatruryasya Saha Jata Shatru. न जातो शत्रु यस्य सह अजात शत्रु. न जात शत्रु अजात शत्रु. न विद्यते जात शत्रु यस्य बहुव्रीहि. स एव च प्राणो बाह्य आधार भेदेषु अनेकधा विस्तृतः. दिस प्राण मीन्स हिरण्यगर्भ सूक्ष्म शरीर बाह्य आधार भेदेषु with different आधार supports from the external prapancha anekadha vistritah. So if you take prana as hiranyagarbha, then hiranyagarbha doesn't have any adhara. Hiranyagarbha itself is adhara for all. If you take vyashti sukshma sharira, then that supports many. In this way you have to take. So if you take it as hiranyagarbha, then its different manifestations, that itself you should understand. How they are given in Tika. Aditya Chandradayo बाह्य आधार भेदा अनेक धात्वम अतिष्ठा मूर्धा इत्यादि वक्ष्यमाण गुणवशात द्रष्टव्यम. So what are they? Aditya, Chandrama, etc. Bahya adhar bhedah. They are the external supports. Aneka dhatvam atishtha. So in the mantras, such shabdas will come. Samvadishtha, etc. Atishtha. अतिष्ठा अतीत्य सर्वान् तिष्ठति इति अतिष्ठा स्था धातु एंड मूर्धन्यत्व. मूर्धा इत्यादि वक्ष्यमाण गुणवशात. ऑल दीस आर दी गुण इन दैट प्राण, इन दैट सूक्ष्म शरीर. कथं तर्हि तस्य एकत्वं तत्राह. प्राण एको देव इत्युच्यते. even though it has many bahya adhar bhedas, means bhinna vastus, prana is one, sukshma sharira is one, or hiranyagarbha is one. It has so many manifestations in different ways. It manifests. So eko devaha. प्राणस्य नानात्वम एकत्वम च उक्तम तत्र एकत्वम विवृणोति. नानात्वम because of the भेदस बाह्य भेद which are supporting. एकत्वम तस्यैव बाह्य पिंड एकः साधारणो विराट वैश्वानर आत्मा पुरुषविदः प्रजापतिः को हिरण्यगर्भ इत्यादिभिः पिंड प्रधानैः शब्दैराख्यायते. सूर्यादि प्रविभक्तकरणः प्राणस्यैव स्वभावभूतो अनात्म लक्षणः सॉरी तस्यैव फर्स्ट लेट्स सी द मीनिंग. बाह्य पिंडः एकः, द एक्सटर्नल पिंड इज वन, बाह्य पिंड एक, साधारणो विराट वैश्वानरः. सो हिज एक्सटर्नल फॉर्म इज दिस विराट वैश्वानरः. दैट्स व्हाई प्राण यू शुड टेक मोर एज हिरण्यगर्भ देन सूक्ष्म शरीर, बिकॉज विराट वैश्वानर is his बाह्य पिंड. आत्मा, आत्मा मीन्स स्थूल सृष्टि, स्थूल देह. पुरुषविदः प्रजापतिः को हिरण्यगर्भः. व्हाट इज को?
प्रजापति.
So in Chandogya later, in Chandogya it is given kam brahma, kham brahma. So this ka you have to take as brahma, kaha. So here prajapati hi kaha hiranyagarbha. So kaha is not prashna, kaha means brahma, hiranyagarbha. इत्यादिभिः, all these are the names. इत्यादिभिः पिंड प्रधानैः शब्दैः आख्यायते. All these are the different names given to that. सूर्यादि प्रविभक्त करणः. And Suryadi, etc., Surya, Chandrama, they all are the instruments through which it functions, this Virat Vaishwanara. So Virat Vaishwanara is his external body. Inside that same entities in subtle form is Hiranyagarbha. Operates through Surya, Chandra, ityadi. टीका. प्राणस्यैव स्वभावभूतो अनात्मलक्षणः पिण्डः. प्राणस्य एव स्वभावभूतो अनात्मलक्षणः पिण्डः समष्टि रूपो हिरण्यगर्भादि शब्दैः उपाधि विषयैः तत्र तत्र श्रुतिस्मृत्योः उच्यते. श्रुतिस्मृत्योः सप्तमी द्विवचन. इन श्रुति एंड स्मृति दिस Hiranyagarbha Adi, that one samashti rupa pinda is addressed in this way. Sacha Agnir Murdha Chakshushi, then Hridayam. There is one mistake here. Agnir Murdha Chakshushi Chandra Suryau. Chandrama Chandrasya Suryasya iti Chandra Suryau. Chandra Surya, hey, this will never happen. Chandra Surya, ityadi shrute, hey, Mundaka Shruti. So there the Mundaka Shruti talks about Virat. इत्यादि श्रुते हे सूर्यादिभिः प्रविभक्तैः कर्णैः उपेतो भवति इत्यर्थः सूर्यादिभिः प्रविभक्तैः कर्णैः with the help of Suryadi as the karna, different instruments for it to function. Upeto bhavati. So they will become upadhi and this will be upeta with that. Yad brahma samastam vyastam cha तदिदम हिरण्यगर्भ मात्रमेव न तस्माद् अधिकम अस्ति इति हिरण्यगर्भम स्तौति यद ब्रह्म समस्तम व्यस्तम च दैट ब्रह्म विच इज समस्तम व्यस्तम मीन्स समष्टि एंड व्यष्टि तदिदम हिरण्यगर्भ मात्रमेव दैट एवरीथिंग इज हिरण्यगर्भ ओनली समष्टि इज हिरण्यगर्भ because samashti is hiranyagarbha, vyashti wherever you touch. If you say samashti is hiranyagarbha, then is this hiranyagarbha? Yes. Is this hiranyagarbha? Yes. Why? Because I am not touching in vyashti, I am touching this part in samashti only. Like if there is a tree, if I am touching the leaf, can I say I am touching the tree? If I touch the branch, can I say I am touching the tree? Yes. So really speaking, what I am really interacting with is Hiranyagarbha. Because my attention is not on Samashti, I think I am interacting with Vyashti. If I am in Rishikesh, can I say I am in India?
Yes.
Yes. So if my attention is on Samashti, then I can say that. Hiranyagarbha matrameva, na tasmad adhikamas. So upasaka, whether it is Hiranyagarbha upasaka or Ishwar upasaka, this understanding is most important. How many shlokas you recite and how many hour-long puja you do and what you offer, this is secondary. For upasaka, when I am interacting with any aspect of that samashti, I am interacting with Ishvara. This buddhi is the most important aspect. Once I have this, upasana is siddha, aham brahmasmi will be siddha. If this is not there, anything else you keep doing, it's going to take forever. This is the mukhya. That's why in Ramayana, Bhagavatam and all, whenever the Virat Swarupa comes, most people don't like those things. They all want some story where he is individual. This is the mukhya. Upasana Siddhanta is this much. No tasmad adhikam asti. Other than that, there is nothing. So here it is given Hiranyagarbha. Other than Ishvara, there is nothing. Iti Hiranyagarbham stauti. Ekam cha anekam cha. Brahma etavadeva na ataha param asti. This Brahma is ekam cha anekam cha. It is one. This Hiranyagarbha is one and all. Brahma etavadeva na ataha param asti. Other than this, there is nothing else. Here Brahma means Hiranyagarbha only we are talking. Pratyekam cha sharira bhedeshu parisamaptam. And in each sharira, as if it is present. See tika. Ekadam ekatvam vishadikritya pranasya nanatvam vishadayati. So if it is one, then how it is many? In each sharira, as if it is available. One. So then it is nana. But as a whole, it is one. Pratyekam cha sharira bhedeshu Parisamaaptam eva, you should understand, huh? As if it has ended here, it is ending here, like this. Now, for the student and the teacher of this topic, he is going to explain. प्रत्येकम च शरीर भेदेषु परिसमाप्तम चेतनावत कर्तृ भोक्तृ च इति अविद्या विषयम एव आत्मत्वेन उपगतो गार्ग्यो ब्राह्मणो वक्ता उपस्थाप्यते. गार्ग्य, this brahmana balaki, he is the vakta. Vakta literally means he is a speaker. Means he is going to teach. When you say he is a speaker, means he is going to be teacher. But here vakta means he is going to be the purvapaksha. And tad viparita atmadrik ajata shatruhu shrota. It is given in tika. You don't have to go on writing everything. Tad viparita atmadrik ajata shatruhu is shrota. So ajata shatru is going to be siddhanti. Gargya will become purvapaksha. And he is a brahmana. So Raja is going to be the guru and Brahmana is going to be the student here. Tika. So if you say that which is one and it is as if many in all, in each, it is like jati only. Gotva jati is there. Gotva jati is in all gau. In each gau, there is Gotva complete or only part of Gotva?
Complete.
So there is no part of Gotva in one, then another part in another gau, another part in another gau. Gotva is only one and it is full in all gau. So Tika, Gotvadi Samanya Tulyatvam Vyavartayati. This Hiranyagarbha sounds like it is a Gotva Jati. So it is said, no, that is not there. Chetanavat. It is Chetanavan. That Gotva Jati, etc. They are Jada. This is Chetanavat. Chaitanya Rupam, Tippani says. And it is not only Keval Bhokta. Keval Bhoktritva Paksham Varayati Kartru Bhoktru cha. It is Karta and Bhokta. Avidya Vishayam eva Atmatvena Upagato Gargya. Gargya means this Balaki. What he thinks that this Hiranyagarbha is Sharira Bhedeshu Pratyekam Parisamaptam Chetanavat Kartru Bhoktru. This is who I am. This is the understanding of the student, means of the Gargya. He goes to Acharya. That you will see. And Tad Viparita. What is Tad Viparita? Atmadrik Ajata Shatruhu Sitika. Vakta means Purvapakshavadi iti yavat. So Vakta is the Purvapakshi. तस्माद् अमुख्यात् ब्रह्मणो विपरीतम मुख्यम ब्रह्म तस्मिन् आत्मदृष्टि राजा श्रोता सिद्धांतवादी इत्यर्थः. What Ajatashatru knows is amukhya brahma. Tasmad amukhyad brahmano viparitam will be mukhya brahma. Mukhya brahma tasmin atmadrashti yasya. Atmadrashti, that Atmadrashti is Raja. Atmani drashtihi yasya saha Atmadrashti. Atmadrishti, it should be the shabda. Then Rori Sutra, the ikara becomes dirgha. Drishti Raja.
Not Guru Swamiji. Hello.
Dirgha Raja Shrota Siddhantavadi ityartha. He is a Siddhanti. So what is the Raja's understanding? I am Mukhya Brahma. What is the Gargya's understanding? I am Hiranyagarbha, Karta, Bhokta, इत्यादि. भेदवान. किमिति वक्तृ श्रोतृ रूप्य आख्यायिका प्रणीयते तत्राह. Now this is beautifully put here. Why there is a need of आख्यायिका? आख्यायिका means a story. That there is some vakta, there is some shrota, some question answer is there. Why this is needed? This comes everywhere in all granthas. Evam hi means yataha. टीका. एवं शब्दार्थम एव स्फुटयति. पूर्व पक्ष सिद्धांत आख्यायिका रूपेण समर्प्यमाणो अर्थः श्रोतुश्चित्तस्य वशम एति. पूर्व पक्ष सिद्धांत आख्यायिका रूपेण समर्प्यमाणो अर्थः श्रोतुश्चित्तस्य वशम एति. एति is the क्रियापद. Who is the कर्ता of this क्रियापद?
श्रुति.
समर्प्यमाणो अर्थः.
अर्थः. अर्थ इज द कर्ता. अर्थः वशम एति. दिस वाक्य रचना इज डिफरेंट. समर्प्यमाणो अर्थः वशम एति. कस्य वशमेति? श्रोतुः चित्तस्य. श्रोतुः विच विभक्ति? षष्ठी. चित्तस्य षष्ठी. श्रोतुः चित्तस्य समर्प्यमाणो अर्थः वशमेति. समर्प्यमाणः विच प्रत्यय इज देयर?
Matu Pratyaya.
Where matu pratyay? Shanach pratyay is there. समर्प्यमाणो अर्थः. अर्थ तात्पर्य. तात्पर्य अर्थ. The teaching will go in the mind of the Shrota. Samarpyamanah artha. The meaning which is to be offered in the head of Shrota. Vashameti, he will be able to grasp when it is presented in the form of Akhyayika with Purvapaksha Siddhanta. Again, I will read the sentence. Purvapaksha Siddhanta Akhyayika Rupena Samarpyamano Arthaha Shrotuhu Chittasya Vasham Eti. Uske vash mein aa jayega. This meaning he will be able to grasp. टीका. अतो भवितव्यम आख्यायिकया इति शेषः. अतो भवितव्यम आख्यायिकया. If I say आख्यायिका, then अतो आख्यायिका भवेत्. आख्यायिकया भवितव्यम. आख्यायिका भवेत्. Therefore आख्यायिका made be there, vidiling. Neri आख्यायिका be there. आख्यायिका अनंगीकार. Somebody says, I don't want stories. Just tell me the teaching. आख्यायिका अनंगी. There were some people, stories I don't like. Also very good. आख्यायिका अनंगीकारे. What is the dosha? See. विपर्यये ही तर्कशास्त्रवत् केवल अर्थ अनुगम वाक्ये ही समर्प्यमाणो दुर्विज्ञेयः स्यात्. in the absence of Akhyayika, Viparya means in the absence of a story through which it is communicated, if that story was not there, how it will be? Tarka Shastravat. You see Tarka Sangraha, Kirnavali, Deepika. Is there any Guru Shishya Samvada? No. There is no Akhyayika. Then how it will become? केवल अर्थ अनुगम वाक्य ही समर्प्यमाणो दुर्विज्ञेय is so difficult to understand and people lose interest very quickly. सी टीका यथा तर्कशास्त्रेण समर्प्यमाणो अर्थो ज्ञातुं न शक्यत. तर्कशास्त्रेण समर्प्यमाणो अर्थो, what is offered by Tarkashastra and said, yeah, receive this jnana, न ज्ञातुं शक्यते. औत्प्रेक्षिक तर्काणां निरंकुशत्वात्. You can break these sentences because it's a long sentence and the construction is not easy. Outprekshika tarka means kalpanika tarka. Kapola kalpita, see 15 number tippani. Kapola kalpita. There's some buddhi kalpana is there. Go on. Tejaha anushnaha. Dravyatvat jalavat. Some kalpana you do. This is Kapola kalpa. Outprekshika tarka. Outprekshika tarkanam nirankushatvat. There is no control over such arguments. तथा केवलम अर्थो अनुगम्यते प्रश्न प्रतिवचन भाव रहितैर यैर वाक्यैस्तैः समर्प्यमाणो अपि दुर्विज्ञेयो अर्थः स्याद् यदि आख्यायिका नानुश्रियते. तथा केवलम अर्थो अनुगम्यते. Then what will happen? केवल अर्थ ज्ञानम when it takes place, प्रश्न प्रतिवचन भाव रहितैः, in there where prashna prativachana bhava is not there, question and answers are not presented. Prashna prativachana bhava rahitaihi, yaihi vakyaihi, by those vakya, like in Tarka Shastra. Then what happens? Taihi samarpyamano api durvigneyo artha syat. Then that artha will become durvigneya, difficult to understand. Yadi akhyayika na anushriyate, if the akhyayika was not there. Tena sa sukha pratipatti artham anusartavya. Anusartavya ityartha. Tena karanena. Tena means because akhyayika mrite arthasya durvigniyatvena. Akhyayikam rite, in the absence of akhyayika, artha is durvigneya, it is difficult to grasp. Therefore, for sukha pratipatti artham, sa akhyayika anusartavya ityartha. Somebody says, kuto durvigneyatvam? Why it is difficult to understand? I can understand everything. Kuto durvigneyatvam tatraha atyanta sukshmatvat vastunaha. This Brahma vastu is atyanta sukshma. Yathoktasya vastunaha durvigneyatve shruti smruti samvadam darshayati. Now in that, shruti smruti pramanam is shown how it is difficult to understand. तथा च काठके श्रवणायापि बहुभिर्यो न लभ्यः.
शृण्वन्तोऽपि बहवो यं न विद्युः आश्चर्यो वक्ता कुशलोऽस्य लब्धा आश्चर्यो ज्ञाता कुशलानुशिष्टः.
श्रवणायापि बहुभिर्यो न लभ्यः. Kathopanishad means we should always remember, for most people Atma Vastu is not even available to listen to. And that too properly to listen to is definitely not available. So when we get the opportunity, then we should make good use of it. And Shrunvantopi Bahavo Yam Na Vidyuhu. Many people listen and don't understand anything. Like yesterday, Advaita Siddhi part was there, so many people were there, but Shrunvantopi Bahavo Yam Na Vidyu. Many people may not have understood anything, which is okay because you are not prepared. इत्यादि वाक्य सुसंस्कृत देव बुद्धि गम्यत्वम। टीका सुसंस्कृता परिशुद्धा देव बुद्धि ही सात्विकी बुद्धि ही तेन गम्यत्वम। सामान्य मात्र बुद्धि अगम्यत्वम च। व्हाट इज सामान्य मात्र बुद्धि? तामसी राजसी च बुद्धि। राजसी तामसी बुद्धि विल नॉट नो दिस। सप्रपंचम दर्शितम। टीका भाष्य आचार्यवान पुरुषो वेद। दिस इज छांदोग्य 6th चैप्टर। तस्य तावदेव चिरम यावन्न विमोक्ष्य अथ संपत्सि। आचार्याद आचार्या रेफ इज मिसिंग। आचार्यादैव विद्या विदिता साधिष्ठम प्रापत। दैट इज द छांदोग्य मंत्र। दिस फॉर उपासना। आचार्याद ह एव। आचार्यात ह एव विद्या विदिता साधिष्ठम प्रापत इति च छांदोग्ये। उपदेक्ष्यन्ति ते ज्ञानम ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः। That one. What is the Purvardha of this shloka? Online. तद्विद्धि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया। इहापि च शाकल्य याज्ञवल्क्य संवादेन अति गह्वरत्वं महता संरम्भेण ब्रह्मणो वक्ष्यति। Here ihapi means Brahadaranyake. In Brahadaranyaka also Shakalya Yagnavalkya Samvada will come, and by that dialogue Ati Gahvaratvam, a lot of discussion will be there. And Brahma Pratipadanam, who will do? Yagnavalkya will do at the end, when Shakalya is gone after that. Ati Gahvaratvam, very subtle. महता संरम्भेण ब्रह्मणो वक्ष्यति। ब्रह्मणः of this Brahma, महता means with gambhirata, with great subtlety. He will talk about Brahma. टीका अति गह्वरत्वम अत्यंत गंभीरत्वम। संरंभ तात्पर्य। संरंभ तात्पर्य। सो अति गंभीर तात्पर्य of Brahma will be said that it is not pratyaksha vishaya, and rajasic tamasic buddhi vishaya also it will not become. So now all you are left out with is sukshma buddhi, satvika buddhi, आवृत्त चक्षु बुद्धि। ब्रह्मणो दुर्विज्ञेयत्वे फलितमाह। So if Brahma is दुर्विज्ञेय, then what is the result? तस्मात् श्रेष्ठ एव आख्यायिका रूपेण पूर्व पक्ष सिद्धांत रूपम आपाद्य वस्तु समर्पणार्थ आरंभः। Therefore श्रेष्ठः, therefore युक्तः, it is appropriate that आख्यायिका रूपेण पूर्व पक्ष सिद्धांत रूपम आपाद्य, by taking the support of this पूर्व पक्ष सिद्धांत और गुरु शिष्य वस्तु समर्पणार्थ, that ब्रह्म वस्तु प्रतिपादनम। समर्पणम here means in my buddhi, It is as if offered in my buddhi. Tasya arambha. And Akhyayika is there for Sukha Pratipatti, that he said. Further also, he says Akhyayika has another purpose also. What is that? Which we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakratam Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.